Shake it, Mama. Shake it, little Mama.
Shake it. Shake it up. Hey, Dyches fam. Today, we are headed to meet our family to go to what is called a temple open house. So I'm sure that you guys have seen us attend the temple before, but when they first build the temples, they open them up to the public. So people that aren't of our faith or children who don't normally go to the temple are able to go and see what it's like. And it's the most beautiful place on earth. Unfortunately, we cannot record in the temple, but they do have pictures posted online if you guys want to see what it looks like. It's the Payson, Utah LDS Temple if you want to look it up. We'll find the link and post it below, right, Dad? So they can see what it looks like. Okay, let's see if the kids are excited to go. Who wants to go to the temple? Yay! Yay!
Hold on. Let's try saying that excited but reverent. Who's excited to go to the temple?
Okay, now we're temple ready voices. Nikoi, why are you excited to go to the temple? Okay, Jaden, why are you excited to go to the temple?
Because I've never been there, and I want to feel Heavenly Father's spirit for the first time. Because I can't really, because it's hard to feel it.
Sometimes it's hard to feel it in the world, huh? It's easier to feel it in the temple. Nikoi? William, do you want to go to the temple? How come? Because
I'm hot.
Nikoi, do you have something to say now?
What about me? Whoa.
Oh, Dad, why do you want to go to the temple?
Just for this very occasion, I grew my brother Brigham Young beard out. So I can feel the spirit more fully. Guys, I'm actually going to shave this beard, so...
Yeah, he's been saying that for a month and it's still there. Prove it, Josh, prove it.
No, but I am excited to go to the temple today. To do something more spiritual and thinking more about Jesus and Heavenly Father and my purpose here on this earth. And at the temple, I don't have any distractions, so I can just, besides kids, this time we're taking the kids. But I get to think about how we can be together as a family forever. It's possible.
And we get to share with our kids because we haven't got to do that.
That's right.
Okay, Nikoi.
I want to see the angel Moroni at the top.
You want to see the angel Moroni at the top. I don't know if you guys have seen on LDS temples, a lot of them have the angel Moroni. It's a golden statue.
The statue of Moroni is a figure of respect rather than worship because of the role that he played in the restoration. By holding the trumpet to his mouth, Moroni symbolizes the spreading of the gospel.
So we're excited and we're going to go to the temple, and then I'm sure we'll take some pictures and record after and show you guys how beautiful it is outside. It is even more beautiful inside, so make sure you take the time and check out the link below so that you can see how pretty it is.
So we made it through the temple open house. It's so beautiful. Look at these guys. Look how beautiful. Hi.
Welcome to the temple.
Can you guys give me a big smile?
Who liked seeing the temples? Me.
You like seeing it?
What was your favorite part?
I don't know. It's a little windy out here, but look how beautiful this place. Super pretty. Now we're gonna go eat some lunch. So we'll see you guys there. Okay, so everybody know how to wink with one eye. One eye. Look at the camera. Look at the camera go.
Yeah, these are all
That's one eye.
Take things for granted, like knowing how to wink. Let's see you do it again.
That's not how you wink.
Let's see you do it, Kaden. Show William.
Eat it too
That's
again.
so cute. McCoy.
Yes, we got white rice too.
What did you
Whoa, I almost got you.
Shrimp and rice.
no, but
Okay, now we're here at a Chinese restaurant eating some Chinese food.
I'll tell her.
We made it.
And what did you get me?
What, a bite of
Grandma's. It's Christina's mom and her grandma, if you didn't know that.
hi, YouTube friend.
Say fried rice.
Hi.
Fried
fried
rice.
rice.
Look at me. Look
Tell
at
Daddy.
me.
So guys,
Fried rice. Can you wink at me?
that's too wide.
He was doing it pretty good earlier.
You gotta do it with
Let's see you
just
wink.
that eye.
Oh, she can do it. Koi, can you wink? No, one eye.
But can you do it with both eyes is the question.
Cheek, cat, cheek, easy. Cheek.
Well,
No.
I mean like right,
One at a
left,
time.
right, left, right,
When
left.
you do this,
So we just got done eating and here's my fortune. Most spend lives reading the menu instead of enjoying the banquet. That's true, but I really enjoy the banquet more than the menu. So that's how I live my life.
Hold on, mine is directly about Josh and I.
Uh-oh.
Never argue with a fool.
Exactly. I tell her that all the time. Looks like we enjoyed the banquet though.
Yes,
All right.
it's all gone.
What?
And then read you mine.
Oh, read us yours.
He who knows that enough is enough will always have enough.
Is that true?
Yeah, and I have enough. I have $158.
What?
Rich man.
So you don't need any more than that?
Yeah.
Because you have enough.
No, I need more.
No, then you
And I
said you
want
didn't need
$1
more.
billion.
You said you want how much?
I want never-ending dollars.
Never ending.
Rich man.
Whee! Is that fun? Is that fun? Look, we're here at Tatum's soccer game. That's it. We're at Tatum's soccer practice, huh? Wait, where is he? He's out there. Okay. What's he thinking about? You watching your big broski play? Say, go, Tatum. Now look at me.
Go Tatum.
Okay, here we go. And then you got to do your finish. Whoa! You okay?
Yes.
You alright? We're at Tatum's Gymnastics now, so we have to go inside.
Look what you see.
I feel like a soccer mom today, running the kids around and doing as much traveling as we've been doing. Let's go. Okay, last cookie. Did you get it? Oh, you crunched it. Did you get a cookie? Yeah! Don't show us that. Tatum is exhausted. He's had a really long day and he's worn out. He looked at me like, "Oh, so tired." You're doing good, buddy.
Thank you for all the nice comments saying we should get a cat. We finally got one. Welcome our newest family member, Jaguar.
So, yes, guys, we're gonna let the cat out of the bag. Get it?
Yeah.
The cat is out of the bag. We got a cat that is going to live outside. Now, it's gonna live in our backyard and the garage for now. Yes, Tayden and I are allergic to cats, but we feel like we can manage this. We have a terrible mouse problem, and the kids really, really wanted a cat or a dog, and we feel like we can make it work. So, Jaguar, our newest family member. Jaguar.
Hey, Jaguar.
No, it doesn't. It can drink kind of.
Oh yeah, don't push it.
Don't push it, Baba. Come here, Jaguar.
It's made.
Jaguar's like, oh no, what am I doing? Jaguar, can you tell the Dyches family hello? Say hi, Dyches fam. Hi, cute little kitty. I'm a cute little kitty. Oh, he likes to be scratched. Okay, now I was against getting a cat. I said, no way. Christina begged, and I gave in. I said, all right. I said, but you're gonna take care of it and make sure it's all pampered and all of its needs are met, and we know how that goes. We got a Yorkie at one time. I got talked into it the same way, and that dog loved me more than her, and that's just how it goes. But it's a cute cat. It's really cuddly. It's really good with the kids. It's a black cat, so if you own a black cat, then you don't have bad luck when you see black cats. That's how it works.
Yeah, people say black cats are bad luck, but this one is really good luck.
Yeah, really good luck.
Yeah, it's been trying
eating
to catch
some food, and
the
it's a
mice in that
girl.
hole. Yep.
It's a girl.
I
Huh.
needed this cat hole to lay its babies.
What? You did what? Show me that again.
It's a hole to lay her babies in.
To lay her babies in? I don't even know. She's so funny. Okay, Jaguar. Say peace out, Dyches fam. Say peace out, Dyches fam. I'm so snuggly. Oh, I like my ears are scratched. That feels so good. Okay, guys. Well, for those of you that said no on the cat, sorry, we got a cat, and we are happy to have a cat. Okay, Jaguar. Say peace out. Peace out, Dyches fam.
Boom. No,
So she's not scared. Whee! Good job, sis. Kitty slide.
Hi, kitty, 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 kitty.
Hi. It's okay. It's not gonna hurt you. It's not gonna hurt you.
Brushing your hair. It's brushing your hair.
Get it, Jaguar. Get it. Get it.
Hey, you got my
Get her, Jaguar. Is that funny?
Yeah.
William, what's the new word you learned today? What? What is that?
Sticky bomb.
Do you know what he's saying?